Hey, I'm Sam from Antidote Audio, and I'm going to tell you all about our brand new pack Equilibrium and why it kicks ass in under 2 minutes. Although what may seem like a sample pack, Equilibrium is actually a construction kits pack focused on drops, and well, drum and bass ones in particular. When you download Equilibrium, you'll see 40 folders with a different construction drop kit inside of each one. And these kits contain different mini stems to create a particular drop with drums, effects, bass, and more inside. Some kits are heavy, some kits are more chilled. And with these kits, you'll be able to use them in a magnitude of different ways inside of your own tunes. Now, the great thing about construction kits is having the ability to break down all sorts of different elements from a drop and learn what goes into them, like how the drums interact with the bass, how the effects fill out the drop to make it even more fuller, and how to layer drums, etc, etc. You can really open up how a drop is put together. It's just a whole learning experience. Since these loops are made for drum and bass 174 BPM bangers, obviously you can easily drag and drop any of the 1,000+ loops into your own songs, but you can also chop and change different parts from any of the kits to create something entirely new. Since these loops are focused on one element of a drop for each audio file, you can drag basses and turn them into sample instruments, or grab drums and turn them into drum racks. But to make it even more convenient, we've rendered out all the different kicks and snares and turned them into one-shots for you. What a bonus. And guess what? It doesn't stop there. Use these kits as backbones to create your own unique drops by switching in your own sounds. And what I mean by that is, don't like the bass but like the drums in a particular kit, then you could just layer in your own to create something entirely new. Don't like the kick and snare over a certain break? Boom, layer in your own, create something new. Or what if you like a melody but have ideas on how to take it further? Then just go for it. These little kits can be ideas for you to expand upon in your own songs. And the best part is, since they're all audio files, well, we did throw in some MIDI from some of these kits, but I mean all these audio files will work in every single DAW, from Ableton to FL to Logic to Cubase to Bitwig and more. I mean, what's not to love? And if you like the sound of this pack, scroll down to learn even more and grab yourself a copy of Equilibrium.